sound of a project gone to plan. What started out as nothing more than a frame and a dream has become Amy and Jack's pride and joy.
We've never done anything like this before. This is sort of quite large and intimidating.
The couple has spent 18 months building their own trophy truck to enter in this year's Finke race, putting their heart, soul and savings into the passion project.
Well, we haven't done the math ourselves, and we bought it in 1 million parts and stripped down. That was for just over $50,000, and so since then, rebuilding it, adding an engine, transmission, all those good things, so who knows.
Entering Finke for the first time is daunting enough, but these DIYers are confident they'll make it through.
Once we hit that track, I'll know that we've done everything we can, and if there's a breakage, well, that's just the way it has to be. We're definitely not going for any trophies this time. All I want to do is make sure we get there and back.
Melissa McKay, 9 News.